Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to create a simple calculated field in pivot table. Okay, so what I have here is about 12 students here and their respective marks scored in the subjects. Okay, so this is how many subjects they have written the examination and what is the marks they scored. Okay, so I have about 12 records. Okay, so I select this source data and I am going to create a pivot table on that. Okay, this create pivot table, choose the data that you want to analyze. Select a table or range which is nothing but our source data, which I already selected, so it came up with the default. Then choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. I want it to be in the new worksheet. Okay, I just press OK. Then it comes up with two things. One is the pivot table area where the report to be appeared, and the pivot table fields selection pane where you can select the fields. Okay, so I select the students and the marks. Okay, total marks and the subjects. Okay, so I have about students and the marks. Students labels I'll change it to students. So now I have the students and their total marks and the total subjects. Okay, now I wanted a calculated field, very simple calculated field, the average of each student's marks. Okay, this average we cannot do it using the average function here because the number of subjects each person written is varying. Okay, this student 1 has written 5 subjects, but whereas the student 12 written only 3 subjects. Okay, so we need to divide by this subjects. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce a very simple calculated field. Okay, where can I find the calculated field? Okay, how can I insert it? Okay, if you are outside of the pivot table, you cannot find the tab analyze. When you just click on the pivot table, you can see the tab analyze appearing with the design. Okay, so in the analyze tab, you go here, fields, items and sets. Okay, click on that. You will have a calculated field. Okay, calculated field. Okay, in the calculated field you click, then you have it is giving the insert calculated field. Okay, what is the field I am going to insert? Is the average. Okay, the field is average marks. And what is the formula? It is similar to cell formulas. You return equal to, right? It must start with equal to total marks divided by the number of subjects. Okay, this will give you the average marks. Okay, then add this field. Okay, once you added, you can see in the field list you can have the average marks. Okay, so after added this field, then press OK. Then it will automatically include the average marks here. Okay, so this is our pivot table and this is the average mark. You want to change the name, you can change it to average marks. Is sum of average marks. It's not sum of average marks, just average marks. Okay, average marks is already up. Okay, this is custom name is average marks. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we may change the cell formatting. Right click, we want to format the cells. Okay, I don't want many positions, I just give me the 2 decimal points. Okay, now again the average mark also have a division by 0 because this 2 is 0, this student 7. So either you can hide this student or you can ignore the error. For ignoring the error, you can just click somewhere and pivot table option, in the option for error values show, so I will put a 0 for this guy. Okay, so it will looks fine. Okay, this way you can give a simple, this is a very simple example for creating a new field, which is a calculated field. Okay, this calculated field involves two other fields which exist in our pivot table, okay, in the source data. Okay, this way you can start inserting new calculated fields in your pivot table and make your analysis more interesting. Okay, you have this option is in analyze field items. If you click somewhere, you cannot find the tab at all. You must click it on the pivot table, then you can find analyze and design appears. Okay, so if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. This Alan Sam channel name is already appearing in the video. Please click it and please leave your comments, and God bless you.